Oh my gosh, I was about to say hi guys, but I just had a coughing fit instead. Okay, let me just drink out of my Doctor Who mug. Sorry to all the Doctor Who fans. Okay, let's get started.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Abigail Joy, if you don't already know, and this is The Pursuit of Joy. So today I have a bit of an interesting one for you. My sister-in-law knew it was my birthday. I know she was on the lookout on Facebook in terms of free plants or free trades. She knows I just love plants in general, so her eyes are always peeled. So she found a bird of paradise, free, Facebook, bird of paradise, free. Okay? Yes. Yes, you can see it in the background here, so I'm going to pull it out for you before I say any more. Now, because of this guy, oh my gosh, like you guys, yeah. I mean, she's a beaut. But she's also huge. So the leaves, was it this leaf? Yeah. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to pull her back because she's so big. I don't even think you're gonna see still. And I don't wanna ruin her. But yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do it. But basically this leaf right here that I'm touching, let me try and turn her around, is 2 of my head. That's how big she is. So, yeah, I love her. My husband, yeah, not so much, but that's fine. Who cares? I only care about the plants and my babies, so. Here is the beautiful bird of paradise. So she picked it up for me and she dropped it off straight away because here in Toronto, if you don't already know, I live in Toronto. My husband got it from the car into the back door here, which wasn't the easiest task. I had to make sure that the door was wide open. She only has 4 leaves, as big as they are, but only 4 leaves, so we don't want to damage them in any way, or at least I don't want to. Maybe he did, I don't know. But that is that. This is totally taking up my light for my face. Actually, I'm going to adjust the light for a second, excuse me, because otherwise we don't have enough light. Oh my God, as I said that, the sun literally just came out of the window. Did you see that? That's okay. So then she sat in my kitchen for it's been a week now, actually. Sorry, I'm like fondling this baby so much. So she stayed in my kitchen for about a week, just adjusting to the air in here, the humidity in here, just the environment. I didn't want to shock her. So she just sat under the grow bulb in the kitchen. I didn't touch her other than that. Oh, sorry, I did clean her leaves. But now it is time to repot this baby because, I mean, I don't even know whether this is a 10-inch. It could be an 8-inch. And yeah, no, she's not okay in here. So I have this beautiful pot that my husband bought in for me because it's super heavy and it already has soil in it. And I will be putting any extra soil that is not needed on the floor because I do already need to vacuum. Sorry, I should say the Roomba needs to vacuum. Yes, I have a Roomba. I got it. It's like the first version. I got it for 30 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace because yay upcycling, and also I'm a mom and I don't want to be vacuuming and sweeping all the time, and I also have back issues, so 30 bucks, why the hell not? Anyways, rabbit trails. We are going to pot it into this today, and I'm also, as I'm potting, I will give you some bird of paradise care tips, because I know that everybody, sorry, I shouldn't say everybody, but most people love themselves a good bird of paradise, but not a lot of people have the right conditions or even know the right conditions for the bird of paradise. So as we repot, I will go over some of those things on screen, because I am not going to be talking as I repot, just because that would be boring if I did it in real time. So yeah, let's go.
Fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. You said that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. I don't wanna see the way you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. You said that I should probably start to walk away. Your heart. I don't wanna see the way you fall apart. I don't wanna see the way you fall apart.
So if you have been following me on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, then you will have seen the first picture taken of this guy in my kitchen. Now that was taken by my husband, who is just over 6 foot, I believe 6'1" or 6'2", and he had to take the picture from the phone above his head. That was kind of the teaser that I put out, that I was going to be making this video. So from then until now, this baby has done amazingly. I've seen no signs of stress. That's why, part of the reason why I decided to repot so soon, within a week, not just because obviously the pot was too small, but also that I hadn't seen any stress, so I felt confident in doing it. Now we wait for the water to settle to pull down all of the soil and fill in the air pockets and all that good stuff. and then we water once more, and then we leave her for a little while and hope that instead of stressing out, now she will thrive. And I mean, come on, how gorgeous. You can't even see her in the shot. But yeah, she's a stunner. I love my new baby, and I'm so happy that I repotted her. And as you can tell from maybe my Instagram stories, I am kind of in the midst of rearranging my living room and kind of a planting makeover. So I'm excited to let you guys know that in the near future, probably this month, if not next month, I will be doing a new and updated houseplant tour. I know, everybody loves a houseplant tour. So we will be doing another one, and it will be bigger and better this time. You can bet, because here at The Pursuit of Joy, we like to grow. Cheers, guys. I wish you well on your pursuit of joy, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can see when my new planty tour comes out. Peace out.
Look at those palm trees. Damn.